Couple of sandwiches, please, Betty. Chicken, if you've got them.
Right. You're not working today?
Yes, but not at the betting shop, though. Only a couple of days. No, I'm out in the fresh air for a change, making a start on my boat.
Hey, if you're going to be doing round-the-world cruises, me and Betty will look after the catering for you. What we'll have?
Oh, mind you, with a right temper, Alf.
Hey, hang on. What's this late-night opening she's moaning?
She moaned whatever it were, Audrey.
No, let me get this straight. Are you telling me that you're going to be working nights?
Well, more like an evening shift, love, and only 1 or 2 nights a week. And we're better luck I can work it at the same time as you're working, and then, well, you won't be sat in house on your own, will you?
Oh, I don't know. It sounds a bit much to me. You put this idea in Alf's head? Well, you might have said something to me first.
Can't do right for doing wrong today, me.